Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Academy. In today's session, we'll dive into Kubernetes, focusing on deployments, stateful sets, and other important components like ConfigMaps, services, and more. If you're a DevOps engineer or cloud architect, this video is for you. Let's start with Kubernetes deployments. Deployments ensure your app has the correct number of pods running and allow you to update your app without downtime. A deployment is ideal when you need scalability and high availability without worrying about storing persistent data. Now let's talk about stateful sets. These are used for applications where each pod requires a unique identity or persistent storage. Unlike deployments, stateful sets guarantee that pods are created in order and maintain their identity even after being rescheduled. This makes them ideal for applications like databases or services that require stable, consistent data. To summarize, the key difference between deployments and stateful sets is how they handle pods. Deployments focus on scaling and updating pods, whereas stateful sets ensure stability and consistency. Let's compare the two. Next, let's talk about ConfigMaps. These allow you to manage your application's configuration separately from your code. ConfigMaps are perfect for storing environment-specific settings or parameters, and they can be easily referenced by your pods. Kubernetes services are a key abstraction for managing how pods communicate with each other. They define a stable network endpoint, even if the underlying pods are constantly changing. Services make it easier to manage traffic to and from your pods. Let's now talk about volumes. In Kubernetes, volumes are used to store data that needs to persist beyond the lifecycle of a pod. This is crucial for stateful applications, like databases, where you don't want to lose data if a pod is terminated or restarted. Kubernetes secrets are used to securely store sensitive information such as passwords, tokens, and API keys. Secrets are encoded and can be mounted into pods, ensuring that sensitive data isn't exposed in your code base. To recap, we've covered Kubernetes deployments and stateful sets, and explored key components like ConfigMaps, services, volumes, and secrets. All of these play an essential role in managing applications within a Kubernetes cluster. Thanks for watching this episode of Cloud Academy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cloud computing content. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.